What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Everyday Wood. Today I'm gonna be doing chili. I want to record this. That's why I already got the meat on the pan. So this 5 pounds of ground beef, and then finna add onions and bell peppers in there. I done cut up a lot. I ain't much know, but it's 5 pounds. It'll be all right. It's a lot of chili. Gotta break all this up. It'll break up anyways. So I don't add my season or nothing yet. First I do it, I crush all this up. This is a meat masher. So I crush all this up first. I'm still doing a little more. Now what I do, now I grab the seasonings and the season it. Make sure I don't do this onion powder. It'll be pouring out a lot. And I'm finna use this garlic. Can't forget the bay leaves. Garlic, couple of bay leaves. And I go with my complete. And it's not a lot of seasoning, man. It be looking like that on camera. It be looking like that on camera, telling things be right. I don't know why I bought seasoned salt, because now I'm having the habit of using it. And I ain't been using seasoned salt on nothing. Oh, this thing smells good already. That's all I do. I just turn like that. And I let it cook for a minute, and then I start breaking it up some more. Alright, y'all, I had just turned pour some water in the pot for my rice. I add my rice a little later. I'm just coming in here trying to break this up. Alright, y'all. Yeah, I just dumped this in the made grease already, but I don't care. I'm trying to get this shit going. Add that shit. I just dumped that grease. I don't know why it's still like. But you dump these sugar cubes in there. I did 4, but I might do 6. Alright, so I'm gonna start it. This should be good enough right there. Alright, 4 cans good enough. Pretty good sauce. I'm starting this. I'm gonna use my rice now. Rice, I need jasmine rice. Put the jasmine rice in. That's what I use as well. I think they is. All right, guys. I got this cornbread mixed up. I ain't do it on camera. I don't know why. This is my first time cooking cornbread too. But I think I got it good enough. You gotta pray for my cornbread. I know it's gonna be good, but hopefully it get done. It's my first time making the cornbread. I don't think my cornbread came out right. Look at it, look. Oh shit. No, it ain't done. Oh, I gotta take the rice off the stove. Have my chili. Have my rice. Alright, y'all. Have the chili. Once the plate fits. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, comment down below. I gotta pray for that cornbread, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.